Hi everyone. Today in this video, we're going to create some Power BI and Excel exercise. Um, okay, so I'm too tired. So I'm going to create data here for like a table of data. So we're going to start with maybe a member of the family member column, then the gender here, and then the current savings maybe, and um, maybe a mood, so something like that. And we're going to create names here. The name of the first one will be Jules, the other one will be Vlad, the other one will be Mimi, the other one is Elves, the other one is JL for Jan Lloyd, and Ellen Grace for the other one. So the next one is gender would be male for Vlad and Jules, and also for JL, and Mimi will be female. Was that very noisy shit there? Okay, and the current savings for Jules might be 500 pesos. Then Vlad might have a 150,000 pesos, and Mimi might have like a maybe a 10 million, and Elves might have a 501, and Jail and Ellen Grace is 0. Hold on guys, the other video is very okay. So and the mood here is happy, happy. Okay, like that. Okay, so and this one will be in like a currency or something. Yep, peso currency. Okay, so non-tech people can read this Excel because all they know is Excel, right? They don't know how to code, and they're the cool guys who don't know shit. Okay, so in this and the sheet, the Excel sheet here, this is going to be called family data, something like that. Okay, and in our Power BI, we're going to generate something from that. Okay, let's go to our data here, and I believe we haven't saved this yet, so let's save this. Save as. Um, go into that shit. Go into the folder. Okay, so we're going to save data. Our data. Okay, so we save our data here, data.excel, and we're going to load it into our Power BI. So the Power BI already parsed that. Yeah, the data.excel that we created. So Excel is XLSX extension, and this is the sheet that we created. So we're going to select the sheet. Okay, and we load. Ding 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 ding. Julie the jerky on the phone. Okay, so we can. So it's already loaded, and now these are the fields here. We want to select the current savings. No, we're going to select the family of members first. So these are the family members. So we can do it like this. Yeah, family members. Okay, and how about we select mode? Happy. current savings. Okay. And because Mimi is the godlike, so she has 10 million, and other people are like have nothing. And what if we put the gender here? Um, what kind of data can we generate from this? Uh-huh. Decomposition 3. What is decomposition 3? What is this visualization here? Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, it nothing's being selected. So family member, current savings, field map. Because the data is very big, the difference is very big, so we have to update this into maybe put it like 500,000, and this one here, maybe this one here will be like 75,000. This one here would be 1,000. Okay, and save this again, and we'll reload this. Still take this one, load. Is it going to add here or no? Apply changes. Okay, so maybe we can remove this now, because this one is from the previous import that we created. And then load family member. Okay, and then load current savings. Okay, so now we have more readable thing. So ELBS is, yep, a little bit of can be seen as the percentage there. So maybe if we are 75, so it should be 75,000. Okay, so let's fix that and then reload, get the data. Hey, I think my computer hang. So this kind of profession is somehow very different from building software, because this is already on top of that. They're trying to generate reports, trying to understand data instead of building the system that is going to gather the data and generate the data. So okay, we'll remove this thing, and we need to, I think, remove this. How do we start from scratch? Okay, remove that. Maybe start a new one. Okay, start a new one. Then just close this thing and start a new one. Start from the beginning. So we are now 10 minutes. Okay, so close this thing. Import data from Excel. Okay, so load that thing. Jing, 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 jing. She said that I can't be alone. She was told that time has called. Super strategy, yay! Come on, so this is where I have to convince my wife that we really need a very powerful computer, because take a look at this. I have not running any software right now. Okay, let's continue. Select the family member, select the current savings, and okay, so we can we do here? We can okay, there's kind of visualization that we can do for this. Okay, so we can visualize it like this. We can also visualize like this, like that. Okay, so let's update this. Family member savings, maybe. Okay, so let's create another sheet here. Sheet. Okay, so workload here. Okay, so let's still use this. Put this one here. Okay, and maybe let's remove this. So let's change this to workload. Okay, so let's do this by percentage, or no, from 1 to 100. JL is we're going to remove the currency here. How can we remove? Or maybe just delete all of this. Okay, so okay, Julius' workload is 1 to 100 is 50. Vlad is 0, or maybe 10. Just bring us happiness. And Mimi is maybe 70. LV is 100. JL is 10 because he just eat, or just 5 for the effort. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, can we load another one here? So get data. Okay, let's get data. From Excel, from data, and we want to select this workload sheet and load. Okay, apply changes. So it now add this one here. So if we're going to select here, is it going to add in this report, or it will create another display or visualization here? Select this. So I guess it's adding to the setup here. So how can we? Okay, so there, you can drag a name there and it will start a new one. It's gender here and the workload. Okay, so let's display this in pie chart and disable or in raw ribbon chart. I don't know what's the correct display here. So here it says LV has more work than the rest of us. Okay, so like that, family savings and work load. Okay. Okay, cool. So yep. So if you want to do learn something, guys, you just can't read things so that you will learn. You need to implement it yourself. You need to like hands-on of the thing that you want to learn, so that, or maybe it really depends on the guy who's trying to learn. Maybe you can just read and learn. While me, I don't read manuals. I do things for me to learn. Okay, so I guess that's it for now. I'm just getting making a feel on how to um, make use of Power BI, and maybe we can use SQL Server here, import data from SQL Server. Okay, cool. All right, so maybe in the next videos I can do other data manipulation and do other Power BI reporting here. So that's it for now, guys. So we are already in our 17 minutes, so we'll have to cut this off and see you in the next videos. And yep, all right, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.